Kong Pinki maring ibadai ke long kemir ke bandar distrik Riboy. Ilawan rak nam bat kuburam kejat bhabriew bat kejelahi berok kowe. Da kejingla ajung i banyak rak ikan nam Mrs. World Peace but Beautiful Skin. Kejing yakop Mrs. World International kebaar kebala long ha Gurgoan kebala penlong da ka glamour Gurgoan. Iwei long kemir belatip kerteng kumi Kong Pinki maring nakatan jong distrik Riboy. Ilala banyak rak ikan nam kuburam tang yala kejing kesem. Hendrai ke distrik hi berokawai bat ke jelam megalaya rukum jo. Hagaba ini long kemi lawan ra ke nam ba kejing itu ke bagerpang leng ba rynsan kop thei bhabriew jong kilong kemi leng ba ke Mrs. World International ke baar ke berang syukut dangshan ha kenong ba Gurgoan. Kong Pinki maring ibala syajit menemi kemat chikene ke rynsan kop thei bhabriew. Ha pedeng kilong kemi ke balawan mi kemat na keleng kiri ke perthei. Ileshim bentar kene kejing kop ke belalong Haga Lila Hotels and Resort Ambience Mall Gurgoan. Balik ini kejing kop lepen long route ke kenhun jangka glamour Gurgoan. Ini ilong kemie ibala mi kemat ikari India nak ini kejelam megalaya. Ila yok ban ra ya arteliki kusnam lengba kene rynsan kop thei bhabriew jang kilong kemie. Kiba kentup ikan nam Mrs. World Peace but Beautiful Skin. Ya ini ilong kemie ibala yok Khur kini ke kusnam. Lap yang sobha di bahayang bahasam kirang ba ka Khur maring ke distrik Riboy lembat kibai hadian bilawan poi ha kakat lingsun lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport ha Guwahati ha ka sitrik unaitung arhajar arpusau ki bahayang bahasam kilapan paw ke jingkeman ke bakrau halo ke jingla jong Kong Pinki maring ban Khur kini ki kusnam nagane ke rynsan kop thei bhabriew jong kilong kemir baleshim benta di kilong kemir na keleng ke perthei. Daga bagi lekan turu ya barok kilong kemia ni kisamla ki berane ka sap kerpang ha kinu rynsan bagi dai ban mi syakamat klem gejing le aran ban yo ban ketpat ya usok jong gejing job ha gejing im jongki
ate nga ong tumnie bangala long ala experience ya ko kun la jong hoi ka don gejing e sibun habak le ikini contest bun kapor bangi hapin halik ya kamarwai namani mla man bun ya ka teng-teng ala dangi ya lai ni ling lang tigadan ni ding e ka ka le kawan ka visa ka tangka mo namar ni haplut hi dangi le ka bai tiket ka bai sa hotel di e de wala kataru aba pidon kamon kata kalat kadon mo kumba ong probe when there is a will there is a way de ngaken tiulut yakini ki samla baro bah padai ki bala song lok ong padai ki misis tu bikin mi syakman ada kidan kibiang terniang ada kibiang kajingdang kajing star bikin le menyepo syakman om bikin hun yela de bangin ni syong ni yit kam ni la pa ni la e ni la yo kam la dia ele kan ni ka long kum ka wei ka kam ka long kum kata len jong ki se hap pergi ha ka pergi bikin ni sim benta kum kini competition ale long hoi la ru benjok la ru benrem tang balong bakim dei ban perkat ba la dang rem ngale ranye kulim tai longir ni lalap ni kita ki si bun rei bikin mi sakman bikin try ke.
There are many people in this journey who has been with me, so if I name only one person it will be biased. So I would like to thank first of all your Blay, God, because without his love and guidance, I don't think so I'll be here. Second, my parents who had always been supportive. Nadu manshwa, hindi tang tani ka competition bangane manta. Nadu manshwa, kila idon rangkat lang marga. My husband, Bapli Imdan Shane, wat nakataro, he has his full support and may he shokshit maray maray. Khur, who has been so understanding, kibhaying basam parlok parajor. I mean kibun bha. So ngam sidang jer kapteng jongki and iwing hadian long it will be very unfair. So ngashuong in general parpat kibhaying basam parlok parajor. Thank you. Okay, my journey has been very beautiful so far. I won't say that it's easy because coming all the way from Shillong, it's difficult because of the travel and the place that we are from, we have to travel very far. But I think if you work very hard and you give your full dedication, there is nothing that it is impossible. And at this age, I can achieve, and I think anybody can achieve. So as I said before also, age is just a number. If you want to do it, with total determination, with hard work, you can achieve it. Thank you.